I have been experimenting with hair color. So when I first cut my hair, the first thing I said was, ooh, let me go ahead and dye it and, you know, change the color so I could see, you know, how it popped and if it popped. But then I started watching all these videos, you all, and people were saying how damaged their hair has become since they since they started dyeing their hair. And then with the stress and the damage from the chemicals, they end up cutting it off and starting their journey. But I said, you know what? I want to do one complete healthy journey. And so I came across this product right here. And this is the natural hair wax, right? So this is a hair coloring material. It's all natural and it comes in different colors. This is the purple or the violet color. There's also this black. This is the black. It's like an ash color, I would say. I also have this blue right here. This is an orange color. This is a silver color. Sometimes you may want to, you know, get fancy. And this right here is gold. So all you do is, oh my gosh, it has a fragrance to it. I don't know, it kind of smell like cologne, but then when you put it in your hair, you don't smell it at all. So reading the product, it says, method of application: wash your hair and then take a little of the hair clay. They call it hair clay, not hair wax. A little of the hair clay and rub, to rub with fingers only. Then apply to your hair. It's a typo. It says apply to you hair instead of your hair. So it says then apply to you hair in a bottom up way with fingers gently until apply uniformly. That didn't. Whoever worded this, you gotta redo this label. Alright, and it says this product is easy to wash, giving rinse to no harm. What? I'm gonna stop reading this label. This label does not make any sense, but it does say that it is disposable. You can wash it away with water. Do not leave a greasy residue. It is natural and matte, so yeah, it doesn't leave like a high gloss to it, long lasting. So I've been using this off and on. I kind of been putting a little bit in my hair, going to work just a little bit because, you know, I don't want to be too like, boom, look, all of a sudden she got her hair dyed. But it is kind of cool because I did wear it once or twice and somebody was like, oh, I didn't know you had blue color in your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like mix these two together and we'll see. So when you first apply it, I just use what's in the cap. Like that's just like how small of an amount that I'll use. And I'll put it on my fingers and it turns gold. So if I was to just put it like on a strand or two, you can see how it immediately like turns it. So what I'll do is I'll take like a small amount. I'm just doing this for the video, you all. Very small amount. I took it right from the cap. I didn't take anything big. And I'm going to rub it on my fingertips. I'm going to kind of put it in there. No kind of form. But then I'm going to take the orange and kind of like mix with it a little bit. I'm going to take this small amount. I'm actually going to rub it across my fingertips. I don't want to put it on the palm of my hand because I kind of want to. And once your hair is a little bit more defined with, I guess if it's longer, you could like actually appreciate it a little bit more. You know, just play around with it. I don't even know how to put it in, really. I just throw some in there. I try not to make my whole head this color, but it's, I don't know. And then usually in the morning, because with my wash routine, what I usually do is I usually wet my hair in the morning. And when I wet my hair in the morning, it just rinse right out down the drain. And like I said, I don't use too much. But if you put it in the right way, it would appear as though you dyed your hair this color. So it allows you to actually kind of like play around with it with different colors without actually, rinse my hands off real quick, you guys. Plain water. Yeah, just plain water, just rinses out directly off. So it allows you to kind of like play around with it without even having to worry about actually dyeing your hair. And usually after I do it, I don't know how I should distribute it, but after I finish doing that, I usually will probably kind of re-sponge it to define the curls a little bit. And so I've taken like the sponge and kind of like re-sponge it. But then when I do that, it kind of like blends it and takes some of it out if it's a little bit too much. Yep. So see how it kind of like layered it out a little bit. I don't know. Look, I'm all doing this like I'm a pro. I don't know. You just do it. Shoot, you don't learn about your hair through. You don't learn about hair and your mistakes through other people. That's what I finally came to realize. Cause I remember I kept on saying, so what do I do? What can I use? What do you use? Well, we just gotta do it. Just do it and pray that, you know, if you make a mistake, it's your hair. It's all natural. All right? So thank you all so much for joining me. And if there's anything else I come across, I'll definitely let you all know. Stay safe. Thank you.